You can easily remove your Facebook account from Instagram by following these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Then, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Now, once on your profile, tap on the three dashboard option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the account center at the top. Then tap on your profile head at the top. Now here you will get to see the accounts linked with your Instagram. Since this is my anonymous account, I don't have any profile linked like Facebook. So if you have any, then you'll get to see this option on your Instagram. Now all you have to do is tap on the remove button available right next to it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.